Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from happiness.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Mass LED TV, model LED M600. We got this from Shopee. We bought it for 4,999. So it reached about 5,000 because of the shipping. Don't worry when you buy it online, when it's shipped. Well, this one, see? The entire thing is wrapped with bubble wrap. Okay, so it was delivered by Black Arrow Express. So we're gonna, as you can see, it's still closed. We're gonna open it up now. Hopefully, walang problema. According to the seller, it can be mounted on wall brackets. Sakto, my old TV died. Actually, that's the reason why we bought one. This one, don't play with knives, boys. We bought that from online also. Okay. So, we're gonna open it up now. You're on the other side. Okay. For if you want to see what's inside before we open it up, like that. I think these are the stands. Okay. We want to stand it up, or we won't stand it up because you do not have space in the house to stand it up. Okay? So we're gonna put it up. If you hold the box. Okay. Get get the styrofoam from the bottom. And everything else. So I can the cord and the manual. Show you. So there's the manual and remote control. Where's the cord? The cord is built in already. Okay, you can't remove it. Magkaan lang siya, no? Considering it's 32 inches. Baliktad mo yung... Oh, this one. Okay. So that you get to see it first. Here it is. We're gonna put pato. See, can you see it? Okay. So that's how big the TV is. Okay. And the screen is also covered with plastic. Can you remove the other side? Place it up. So yan po siya. Yan yung screen.
Mass.
It's called Mass. Baliktad. Okay. So as you can see, here. There's two HMI ports, antenna for PC audio, VGA, coaxial output. Then on the side are the two USB ports and earphone jack and what you call that? That one. RCA works. Okay. You can mount it with the screws. I hope the screws that I had from the old one will fit this one. Or if not, I need to go out. Okay. So we can try it out. Plug it in now. We plug it in there with the pieces. Then turn it on. So yan na siya. Naka-plug in. Get the remote. It comes with battery na ano. So the battery is triple A, small one. Hope I just got a text. This video is being taken using a Pocophone F1. Okay, so let's see. Is it on? So, here's the infrared for the power. What is coming out? Okay, so mass. You see it? Wait, we'll put it back. No signal kasi nothing's plugged in. We'll try plugging in our Mi box and see what happens. The cord for the yes. So I have here my Mi box. We're gonna plug it in. Aaron's getting the plug in the HDMI cord in the back and the Mi box. Let's see what happens. Why still no signal? Okay. Source. Okay, naka-TV siya. HDMI 1. Nope. There, see? It's on. There's plastic on top, so we're gonna remove it. Tapos if you look at it properly, parang meron siyang I don't know if this is screen protector or what. Pero malinaw, di ba? Can you see? It's bright enough. Wait, let's pause. So, as you can see, ayan o. It's not connected into any Wi-Fi as of now. So then na siya. I like the way it looks. I'm gonna try to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So ayan guys, it's playing already. It's a little bit distorted because of the internet. Volume, todo natin. It's nice, So that's a quick unboxing of the Mass LED TV. It's good, it's okay. So thanks guys, bye!